All right, Miguel's back from North Carolina. All right, let's get T1. No, I'm feeling that. Yeah, already moved. This heavy lay on your back face up. Come up just a little bit, tuck the chin. Oh, that was a lot. All right, let's get the low back. This is the old leg pull. Already moved. One more. Come up for me. Turn and face me this way. Right there. Oh, there it is. Whoa. Okay. That's awesome. All right, now let's do the lift. So the occipital on the right is low. So we're going to bring you back toward me. Take a deep breath. Exhale. There we go. It's a nice lift.
Oh my jaw, that was pretty.
Yeah, it gets the jaw too, all the time. All right, Miguel.
Oh.
Close up.
Oh, awesome. First part is I have a big head, so I have to carry a lot of weight.
You got a good sized dome on you, that's for sure.
Thanks, Doc.
But it's easy to hold, you know? Like the way it's shaped, like it's very grippable. Yeah, the contours, it's ergonomic is what I'm trying to say.
I'll take it.